Want to check your Roblox ban history? Whether you're curious about past warnings or need to review previous enforcement actions, I'll show you exactly where to find this information in the Roblox app. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner to open your account options. Now scroll down and select Help or Help and Safety, depending on your version of the app. This will take you to Roblox's support section, where you can find important account-related information. Next, look for Violations and Appeals and tap on it. Here, you'll find a history of any warnings, temporary bans, or other enforcement actions taken against your account. If you've ever been banned or had a warning issued, you'll see details about when it happened and why. If you've successfully appealed a ban, the record will still be visible, even if your account was reinstated. This section helps you stay informed about any past infractions and understand what actions might lead to further restrictions. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.